not it, we can stop it. When we might attack the wolf.
Peter made a lasso. Peter climbed up the tree. Soon the wolf came running.
What's going on? I'm going to get you.
Peter called the wolf in the tail.
Sasha, word for help.
On Peter her turning horns.
Here come the three hunters. We are coming to get you. There is no escape for you. You can eat dead. Hide.
Sansa has bruised her hot legs.
So they helped tie the wolf to a pole and carried him through the village.
On the villager.
Hooray! Hooray! The real roads are coming. You saved the village. Poor Sonia.
Sasha was unhappy. He was thinking of Sonia, his lost friend. Then he returned quickly to the tree.
Don't worry, I am live.
She was hidden inside the tree and was safe and sound. The villagers decided to put the wolf in the village zoo, where he lived happily ever after.